Hello, friends. Find the character shown on the screen at 10 different levels. You will be given 10 seconds to search. Write in the comments how many you could find. Good luck. Round 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 7. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 9. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments how many rounds you were able to complete. Don't forget like and subscribe to the channel. Also share this video with your friends. You'll help us grow our channel so that we can bring you even more interesting videos.